It was the start of a bright Saturday morning when Beckley's dad told him, "Get ready, we're going to the barber shop." Beckley loved looking neat, so he quickly dressed in his black polo shirt, black shorts, and shiny black shoes. They drove together to Barbie Salon, the most popular place in town for stylish haircuts. The salon smelled of fresh hair products and gentle perfume. Soft music played in the background. Beckley sat in the chair confidently as the barber trimmed his hair into a clean, sharp style. When the haircut was done, Beckley smiled at the mirror. He looked fresh and ready. If you like this short story, please subscribe to this little boy channel and like and share the video to your friends by helping his channel to grow. His dad placed a hand on his shoulder. Now you're ready for our trip to Ogun State. They went home, picked their travel bag, and began their drive to the countryside. When they arrived at the farm, Beckley greeted the workers who were feeding chickens and cleaning the poultry houses. He put on his small gloves and joined them. He helped collect eggs, feed the chickens, and refill water containers. The workers cheered him on, and his dad proudly watched him learning. By evening, they all sat under a mango tree, relaxing after a long day. Beckley loved every moment: fresh haircut, road trip, and working on the farm with his dad. It was a weekend he would always remember. If you like this short story, please subscribe to this little boy channel and like and share the video to your friend by helping his channel to grow. Thank you. See you in next episode, and if you have any additional, please leave your comment in the comment section below. Bye.